IPS pedigree. It all began with a project to control tiny but voracious fruit flies by Food Industries Limited, a subsidiary of Unilever in 1976. They found out that these voracious fruit flies were attracted to a raspberry flavour, rasto, created for the food industry that FIL supplied. This was the beginning of the IPS product range. Beauregard was interested in utilising pheromones to protect pine trees used for papermaking in Norway. They took control of the division and later streamlined its interests. The Pheromone division became a new company, Rebocrest, which was run by ex-Beauregard employees. The Unitrap, invented by David Hartley, launched and was simply sold as a stored product moth trap. International Pheromone Systems Limited became independent when it was bought by David Hartley. This was the beginning of the family business that you know today. The product range expanded to pheromone-based trapping systems to monitor and quantify insect infestation in stored food products and agriculture. Despite the continued habit of spraying insecticides, whether a pest was present or not, the company continued to grow, and IPS moved to a new industrial unit in Ellesmere Port. It expanded manufacturing capability, offering pheromone-based pest monitoring as an intrinsic part of integrated pest management programs, working with pioneering companies in the market to establish their brands. The Unitrap was finally registered as a trademark and is still a well-known product. Sadly, it hasn't been acknowledged that David Hartley was the original inventor. David Hartley handed over general management of the company to his son, Graham. He came with a degree in business, had project management experience in the building industry and sales experience in the food ingredients industry. IPS dramatically improved its revenue when working and collaborating with major multinational companies in the pest control and pest management industry to provide solutions for the reduction of pesticide use. Ownership of the company was transferred to Graham Hartley, and the business moved to new premises near Liverpool as part of an expansion plan. IPS registered the Insect Track brand to create the base for further growth and expansion. New key personnel and production machinery underpinned these plans. IPS began creating further synergies to support market leaders and new businesses to establish their own brand by offering white label, toll and contract manufacturing. Another milestone was passed when we acquired new technology from Exosect. IPS now owns the rights to the SP tab and CL tab, which are now registered trademarks of IPS. They are our first control products in the pest control market and are based on mating disruption. To support continuing growth, the desire to own our own facilities came true when IPS moved to its own production and lab facility in Neston, Cheshire. We were successful in securing funding from Innovate UK to develop a unique and fully automated codling moth monitoring system offering many benefits to apple growers. The combination of knowledge of IoT systems and IPS expertise in pheromone lures is due to create novel, effective and easy-to-use solutions for apple growers across the world. The IPS Pest Research Hub is established. This industry-leading facility will not only enable research and development of new pheromone-based solutions for IPS, but will also be available for other companies to develop and register their own pest management solutions.